Our sincere apologies. The XHAL.UK website is currently down, but please know we are still here to support everyone who relies on us, by email and phone, while we work through this disruption. This situation was not in our hands. After more than 3 years of building our platform with support and input from the NHS, universities, charities, and neurodiversity agencies, our former hosting provider, SiteGround, chose to put profit over people. Without warning, in the middle of the night at 3:33 a.m. on a Sunday, they blocked our website, undoing years of charitable work and preventing us from migrating our own data. The impact was not only on us, but on all those who contributed their time, expertise, and goodwill to help us create this mission. Despite this setback, we have taken definitive action. We are moving to a more ethical hosting partner, one committed to long-term stability, security, and care for the vulnerable communities we serve. Please bear with us while we rebuild. Our services, including Teddy AI and Echo Minds, will return stronger. And through it all, our email and phone support remain open for anyone who needs us. This experience has only reinforced why our people first, not profit campaign matters. SiteGround's actions showed us what happens when companies put profit ahead of responsibility. We won't make that mistake again. With XHAL.org, we are rebuilding on stronger, more ethical foundations, and we remain committed to supporting the most vulnerable, no matter the obstacles. Disclaimer: this statement reflects only our experience with SiteGround, based on documented interactions, support transcripts, and evidence shared publicly.